What are you fixing?
I am fixing my bicycle.
What are you fixing?
I am fixing my bicycle.
Very good. What is she drinking?
She is drinking coffee.
What is she drinking?
She is drinking coffee.
Very good. What are you cooking?
I am cooking chicken soup.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking chicken soup.
Very good. What is going on?
We are having a party.
What is going on?
We are having a party.
Very good. What do you want?
I want a pizza.
What do you want?
I want a pizza.
Very good. Whose car is that?
That's my teacher's car.
Whose car is that?
That's my teacher's car.
Very good. What does your friend do?
She is a teacher.
What does your friend do?
She is a teacher.
Very good. What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
Very good. What are you doing?
I am eating cake.
What are you doing?
I am eating cake.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is reading book.
What is he doing?
He is reading book.
Very good.